Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This is going to be another review video. A local spirit made here in Louisiana by Sugarfield Distilling in Gonzales, Louisiana. They are a rum distillery. So I really don't want to call them a rum distillery because they're doing a whole bunch of other things. They have their premium rum. They have an agricole style rum with pressed cane juice. They have, currently they're sourcing bourbon while their bourbon is resting in barrels. They'll be doing it. They also have a barrel aged rum that's resting as well, plus a whole line of liqueurs on top of that. They have a coffee liqueur, which is amazing. They have an orange liqueur, which just came out, but I did get a sneak taste of it prior to it coming out. That was really, really good. But enough about that. Let's talk about their premium rum. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pop this open. I have a half a bottle left. That's, I'll be honest, how much I enjoy their rum. On top of it being a Louisiana rum using Louisiana sugar cane, it's a great product. So let's go ahead and pour ourselves a little bit. So from here, first thing on the nose is vanilla. Strong, strong vanilla. And this is a blend of molasses and sugar cane. A higher percentage of molasses with a smaller percentage of sugar cane. I'm not exactly sure the exact percentages. They told me, because I did get to meet both owners, as a matter of fact, Thomas and Andrew, and then Master Distiller Dean. Wonderful guys. I've been to several different distilleries doing tours across the state. And this is actually the first time I went there just to go to the tasting room and grab a drink with my wife one day. And then one of the owners, Thomas, was back at the still where I found that one of the owners outside of the master distiller is actually working there behind the scenes, which is a great thing. So let's kind of go back to this. Like I said, heavy vanilla on the nose, really light bodied. It is a clear rum, a white rum. So it is a very light bodied rum. I just can't get over enough of how much this has got such a strong vanilla smell to it. Right away, you know, you expect, since the vanilla nose is so strong on it, you'd hit vanilla, and that's really not the case, which I find very interesting. Right away, I get more of a little grassy, earthy note to it off the top of the palate. The ethanol is there a little bit, but it's not, like I said, it's not overbearing. Vanilla notes are there as well with the second sip. The first sip, like I said, I get more along that grassy, earthy, almost like a Blanco tequila. We get earthiness from that, followed by a vanilla note after that. I mean, this is just, it's an amazing rum. Quick note about on their label, really cool label. I love their label. But there's a little story about it. So I'm gonna read this real quick. What does craft mean? To Sugarfield, it means we are personally involved in as many steps of the process as possible in crafting this beer, and that they are. Like I mentioned, I went over there just to go chill out in the tasting room for a little bit, and the owner, who happens to be a doctor, who was working the stills and cleaning up the stock room and everything. So they are very hands-on with their product. Continue. This delicious rum, and it is delicious, is made from Louisiana sugar and molasses. We fermented, distilled, and bottled the rum in an individual batches. We personally taste each batch before release. If we don't love it, we don't sell it. Cheers. So it is a wonderful product, guys. And honestly, every Louisiana product I've had is really good, especially Sugarfield Spirits. And I really want to thank Thomas and Andrew for opening up here. Actually, my parish, if you're not from Louisiana, that's technically a county. We're the only state in a union that has parishes, not counties. But they're 10 minutes from my house. And so I'll stop by there. I've been there a couple of times already. Great people, great cocktail. So stop by their tasting room, grab a cocktail, grab a bottle of rum or one of their other spirits. So that's it, guys. I just want to give a quick review of a new rum I found, Sugarfield Spirits. And Sugarfield. I think they're Sugarfield Spirits. The label just says Sugarfield. At least I know on Instagram, I think they're Sugarfield Spirits on Instagram. But by all means, Sugarfield, check them out on social media. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram. They're a great company, amazing, amazing rums. And I need to get a bottle of their agricole rum because every time I go there, I get a cocktail made with their agricole style rum, but I bring home their premium rum. So I guess I only drink their agricole there. But I do need to bring a bottle of that home because the agricole style rum is absolutely amazing. A really strong, grassy, earthy note on a sweet rum. A wonderful product. It makes a great old fashioned. As a matter of fact, they just put that on their new menu, agricole style old fashioned. So guys, once again, if you're in Gonzales, Louisiana, which is halfway between Baton Rouge and New Orleans, stop by, check them out. All right, Thomas, Andrew, and Dean. Don't forget Dean, the master distiller. Y'all done a wonderful job. Thank y'all so much for bringing a new rum to the market in Louisiana. And on top of that, a great rum to the market in Louisiana. Cheers. Y'all have a great day because I will too.